3-7, using formulas. In this lesson, we're going to use basically three formulas. The first one is S equals D divided by T. It's relatively famous. Speed is equal to distance divided by time, although our text uses the word rate and speed as the same thing. So you're going to need to simply, three pieces of information, you'll be given two of them, you substitute in the pieces you know, do some multiplication or division, and find the missing piece of information. What we're really going to be looking at is some perimeter and area types of problems. So the formula for the perimeter of a shape is P equals 2L plus 2W. There's the formula. In this particular example, we are given a width of 6 and a length of 8. So we're going to simply substitute those in. P equals 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6. Do some order of operations. Remember, only one step at a time. The perimeter of this shape is 28 units. Okay, no problem. That's review. But not all your problems are going to be this simple. What if you were given this as a problem? The formula is still P equals 2L plus 2W. The perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. But now the information is different. Now you're given the length is 8. You're not told what the width is, but you're told what the perimeter is. Again, in the equation, P equals 2L plus 2W, there are three pieces of information, P, L, and W. If you're given two of them, you can find the third. So we will substitute in information we know. We know that P is 28. We know the length is 8, but we don't know the width. So rewriting this, 2W plus, we'll go ahead and shorten the 2 times 8 and get 16 right now. 2W plus 16 equals 28. Back to solving two-step equations. We're going to subtract the 16 from both sides to get rid of it. Being such advanced math students, the 16s cancel each other out. 28 minus 16 is 12. Now we do divide both sides by 2. The 2's cancel out on the left. And we find the width is 6 units. This is another way that you're going to have to use the perimeter formula. It's no longer going to be easy like it was when you was wee little kiddies. Now we're going to start changing up which bits of information you have been given. Here we have an area problem because area is length times width. Jumping right into the problems that are going to be more prevalent today. We are given 9 for the length. We're not told what the width is, and we're told the area is 45 meters squared. So we will substitute in the area, 45, equals 9 times the width. So rewriting that, 9W equals 45. It's multiplication. We divide both sides by 9. The 9's on the left cancel each other out. And the width is 5 meters. Be very aware that if the problem gives you units of measurement, your answer must have units of measurement, and they need to be appropriate. An area is a meter squared or units squared. Length and width are linear, one-dimensional. They just get meters or inches or singular. It's very important that you make sure you have it on there. If you take a test for me or the state or another math teacher, you will be required to get the units correct. On the previous example, no units, we didn't have to worry about it. But you do need to worry about units of measurement. Your homework is on pages 134 and 135. 10 to 32, the evens. Another hint, read the directions, because you have to find both the perimeter and area for several problems.